Hi, in this demo I'm going to show you a React-based application which is running on the Kubernetes infrastructure and having a code base here on my screen. This is the package.json file and this is the Next.js based application. Build instruction for this application to set up from the scratch. You can find it here. Create next step command. This is the multi-environment Docker based application. For more documentation, you can visit nextjs.org. Here is the Docker file which helps us to build the container image for this application. This Docker file is generated as a part of this project. This is the Jenkins file which helps us to do the automated deployment on the Kubernetes platform. Currently Jenkins instance running on the Kubernetes cluster itself. So what it requires you to have a Kubernetes template. A pod template helps us to create the pod for every build which is requested for this Jenkins instance. This pod create a helm container and also a kaniko container. Kaniko help us to build a container image on the Kubernetes platform. I want to show you this web application which shows on this URL health.wpcares.com. In the title here on the deployment, I just name it as a Mitakshi deployment. Let's see how it works. We see this Mitakshi deployment is a title on this web page is coming from this bit of code. I'm going to show you the power of CI/CD by changing this bit to another word. When I save this file and go to the commit section to commit the code, it prompts me to commit a new with the commit message. I just say deployment name changed and let me push it to the remote repository. The moment I push to the remote repository, the Jenkins instance will come to know that there is another build requested. Since this is the master branch where this particular code is hosted, you would like to see here on the left hand side corner of my screen the master branch. As and when I commit the master branch, another build will be requested, and you can see the build number 3 is populated here automatically. As the build get progress, it will follow all the steps to check out the code, create the image from that container from the code base into the container image and publish that container image to the Docker registry and then performing a Helm-based deployment. For more, you can go to the console output of the screen. You would be seeing that the code has been checked out, and this is what is the pod has been created for the deployment purpose. Once that is completed, it started to build the code base itself. So this is the Node.js based application. So here you would see that Node.js package file has been used and to, to create the build as a Node.js application. Once that is completed, currently you can see on my screen it is performing a image building part. So once the image has been created, it is going to uh, publish that image to a Docker registry. This bit shows here that a container build, a production ready container build has been created. and that build is pushed to the Docker registry on this. This is the image, and with the image tag is the dev environment, and this has been pushed to this image registry. And here is the success of the build. So the build has been completed using the helm. I'm going to go here on this again, this URL, and refresh here. When I see the Rupa deployment, so the new container image is in effect, and the Rupa deployment is populating here. It shows that the entire end-to-end the code changes has been published to the dev environment. Thanks for watching.